Hi everybody. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how I created this video that you have probably seen on my channel or any other of my social media platforms.
Heat builds. Performance drops. Rest isn't weakness.
It is super easy, and I created this video with just two tools. The first one is ChatGPT. So log on to chatgpt.com. And the second tool that we'll be using is Flow by Google. So you can simply type Flow by Google on your browser and you'll be able to get to the website or access the website. Alternatively, check the link in the description and you have access to the links that I just mentioned. So once you're in ChatGPT, you are going to search for Object Talk. Now, I have already used Object Talk before, that's why it's displayed here. But if you're using this for the first time, simply click on Explore GPTs, and then when you get to this page, search for Object. When you search for Object, you're gonna see a variety. You may want to check all of them out to see how it works, but I'm just gonna click on the first one, and then you click on Start Chat, and voila, it opens a new chat interface for you. Now, this is way different from the way you use your normal ChatGPT to write prompts. What we want to create are objects, so you don't necessarily need to write a lot of prompts to be able to access that. So let's say we are trying to create something right now. We can say sunscreen, and then you click on enter. So whatever object, whatever thing it is that you want to use, whatever item it is, object, whatever, as long as you can imagine it, ChatGPT can help you bring it to life. So now you see here we have text to image prompt. This whole section is a prompt for us to generate an image, and then it also comes with ready-made script. So if at all you don't want to use the script that's been generated for you, you can just follow the same pattern and generate your own script. And then there are also related characters that you can use. So this one is an image prompt for a beach bag. This is an image prompt for sunglasses, protective in a beach chair, and several other ones. Now we wanted a sunscreen, so we're going to stick with the first one. If you're not already on Flow, visit Flow by Google. I'm going to drop the link in the description, so you're going to be on this page. Now it has a list of some videos that I created before. Now it's a very simple and straightforward interface that you can use. So simply click on new project, wait for it to load, and then it brings you here. Now remember, this interface is actually very easy to use, pretty easy. Your business is in this prompt section here, but there's a video section, there's an image section, depending on what you want to create. So you notice that the setting here has changed. If you toggle between video and images, the setting has changed. Alternatively, you can also change it here. So right now, the first thing we want to do is click on create image using Nano Banana Pro. Now we're gonna head back to ChatGPT and copy this entire image prompt, and then we're heading back to Flow. You're gonna paste it here. Now ensure that your setting is on create image, because right now we want to generate the image, and then you go to your settings. You can choose between portrait and landscape for the aspect ratio, and in this case we're choosing landscape. Output variations that you need. I typically like to stick to 2, so it just helps me ease decision fatigue. So we've imputed this, we're going to click on next to generate. This typically takes a few seconds or minutes depending on how strong your internet is, so let's wait for a few minutes. Voila, our image is ready. So there's this one that looks really cute, there's also this one that looks really cute. So I don't want to have too much of the text on it, so I'm gonna go with this one. Now if there's anything you don't like about this, you can always tweak the prompt to get exactly what you want. So you're going to go ahead and download this to your gallery, and then we're still using Flow to generate the video. So once you're done downloading your image, you're going to come back here to Flow, click on plus. These are a list of all the images that I have uploaded so far, so you're going to click on the one that you recently uploaded, or you click here if you've not uploaded it already. So this is what we downloaded, and we're going to click this to select it, and over here you're going to click on this option and select frames to video. Now you go back to ChatGPT and copy your prompt and paste it here. So we're going to generate this and see what the first version gives to us, and we'll tweak that from there. All right, so we have generated our video. Let's play both variations to see what the both sound like.
No, I'm Yoetins. I'm not lotion, Ket. I'm armor. UV rays don't care about your quick tan. SPF means sun protection factor though. I'm Yoetins. I'm not lotion, Ket. I'm...
Alright, so that's the first one. Let's try the second one.
Hey, I'm not lotion, I'm armor. UV rays don't care about your quick tan. SPF means sun protection factor, and I'm your shield from. Hey, I'm not lotion.
All right, so we have two video variations, and with the way it is, you notice that it didn't exactly read out everything that we wrote here. And when this happens, it means that you need to break your scripts into smaller segments. So if I were to do this again, I will just break the scripts into two, input the first one, download the video, and then input the second one. Let's enjoy our creation.
No, I'm Yoans. I'm not lotion, Ket. I'm armor. UV rays don't care about your quick tan. SPF means sun protection factor. No, I'm Yoans. I'm not lotion, Ket. I'm armor. UV rays don't care about your quick tan.
Okay, so just for the fun of it, we are going to generate more images, probably not with the video script, but just to generate more images to show you the capabilities. So we're going to input new scripts and wait for it to load. All right, so we see here that we have similar prompts. If you read these prompts very well, you'd see that is in line with what we requested for. So there you have it. This is how I use ChatGPT and Flow by Google to generate images, and you can actually use this to create educational content. You just need to come up with your script in bits, and also use ChatGPT to generate different scenes and different images, and then you use it for your content. Let me know in the comments if this was helpful, and also let me know if there's any other thing you'd like to learn. See you in my next one.